Good afternoon, young man. You know, sir, I need to speak to Madagungo.
Yes, my lion, you're at the right place, madam. Just straight ahead. Can't miss it. Yeah, man. Right, straight ahead. Boy. Madagungo can't tell me nothing, you know. She make 25,000 already, you know. And see she have another year there. 25,000 more again, you know. She can't tell me nothing like what she tell me down a Montego Bay last week, you know. What a thing, eh? Boy, I never know a Rasta man go Obeah woman. Wait, look more, she can't tell me nothing.
Stop right there, my brother. Stop right there. Oh my God. Spin the road, spin the road, spin the road. Stop, stop, stop. Yes, no God. Look how you look tired, my brother. Look how you look tired. Oh
tired and frustrated, mother.
Stand up there, sir. Stand up there, sir. Oh my God.
Go free me up, Madagungo. Free me. Free me. Free my Madagungo. Free my Madagungo.
Freedom.
More you free me out of the Babylon.
Freedom, freedom. I go and call the doctor now if you inject you, see? You will get some medicine inside of you.
Gideon,
you won't feel it, but the doctor is here beside you. You cannot see, but
I will feel.
The doctor is here.
I will feel.
He's gonna give you some medicine in your body now.
Yes, Madagungo.
So Dr. Carmen, I would like you to inject this young man for me, please. Yes, work it out, work it out. You finish, alright, alright. We are going to give you surgery too, you see? We are going to give you surgery. You won't feel anything because you cannot see surgery. Yeah, me know you're Rasta.
Surgery.
You don't know? Alright, the mother is here.
Yes, Madagungo. I feel the Madagungo.
Anquelos. I want you to give this man a surgery right now. Take out all of the bad things then that them put in him. Won't you help me sing Bamali? These songs of freedom. Free the Rasta man. Free him right now. Free him. I can't feel this man. The spirit is a heavy spirit them put. You know say it's a Indian spirit them put in you.
And you are Indian so you can take the toe. Take it out, Madagungo. Lick it out, Madagungo.
It's the right place you come. You know say if you never come, you're that dead already.
Me dead as neat. As neat, Madagungo. As neat.
You come quick.
Me come quick.
Right.
Thank you, Madagungo.
Give you some medicine.
Look how me set, Madagungo.
So,
take out this what you have for me.
You just
look how me
give me some money, okay?
I have the money for you, Madagungo. I have the money for you. Look how me set, Madagungo.
Yes,
follow me.
I'm gonna send a spirit with you.
Yes,
to guide you.
Guidance spirit.
Alright?
Yes, Madagungo.
In name Kwansha.
Kwansha.
Okay?
Yes, Madagungo.
So don't worry, you are well protected now. And when you come back, I'm gonna give you back live. Yeah. It is a guard. You see, anywhere you go, you put it in your pocket. You hear what I say?
Front or back, Madagungo.
Anyone. Anyone. Nobody can touch you. Alright.
Thank you, Madagungo.
Give me the money now. You just give me it here.
Alright, Madagungo. Me have some good change. I'll give you. You're nice, my Madagungo. You're good to my man. You're a good woman to my man. Alright, Madagungo. Yes, Madagungo. Wash my troubles, Madagungo.
Spin around, my brother.
See, wash my troubles, Madagungo. Wash it off for me, Madagungo.
Alright,
wash
stop
it
now.
Yes,
alright, you may go through the door.
Thank you, Madagungo.
And walk good. And come back to me in 1 day time.
1 day time, Madagungo?
Yes, and make sure you carry 50 more.
50 more?
Yes.
50 more what?
$1,000.
Jesus God, Madagungo. You set me for a thief now, Madagungo. Lean into me, no, Madagungo.
But me have to help you. Me have to give you the next medicine. You don't understand about this thing. You have to get that to cure yourself complete. So you have to come back in 1 day time.
1 day time?
Yeah, and bring 50 more thousand.
And 50 more thousand, yes. Madagungo. Alright, Madagungo.
Wow, good, my son. I can feel that Bob Marley just said that. Bob Marley. Won't you help me sing?
And my glasses at the park.
These songs of freedom. Won't you Look how them fooling. But them a go all this a Rasta man, but him a go older man. Yes, she came to me and said, Lord, Mother Gungo, me have one pitney for the man and the man now look after him. And me said, don't worry, me dear. You know Mother Gungo will always be here for you. So I just give her the no bun powder. And straight away, in 1 day's time, the woman come back. And Lord, it seemed like she turned queen now. Everything start happening to fear. Yes, I am Mother Gungo and I will always be here. Yes, for anybody who need Mother Gungo, just call me on this number. 555-5555. Yes. Always. Oh. Police come on me yard. Never call them. Whoa. But I go and make him walk and suffer. And for all of the good police them, they will live long. For I am the only one. Anquelos, we gonna make him punish. We gonna make him walk and eat out a garbage pan. For it is I, Mother Gungo, who have the strongest power of all police soldier. Yes, I go and make him walk and he thought that every garbage pan. I can feel it, I can feel the spirit right now. Anquelos, take him away. Take him away. Don't let him come back to this yard or any other else yard, for he shall perish. Perish and suffer in the midst of the serpent. I am the only one. Mother Gungo. Good police shall live. Bad police